Hi everyone, welcome to Money Tip Monday on Financial Index. This is brought to you by Inhlanyelo Finance, planting the seed of smart finance. Today we're going to be discussing car payments, paying a deposit or the other options. So it's paying a deposit and other options. So we're first going to discuss paying a deposit. Paying a deposit is paying a sum of money before you purchase the car. So if your car is 180,000 Rand and your deposit is 20,000, your vehicle financing will only cover the 160,000. So what this does is that it decreases your monthly installment. If you are going to pay 3,000 Rand per month for your vehicle, it can reduce it to 2.8 or 2.5, depending on how long you are going to be paying for your car. This also decreases your balloon payment. If there's a certain amount that's been paid up front, then there's less that is needed for you to pay towards the end. It can also reduce your payment period if you so choose. It can do this by, once you pay your deposit, you can realize that actually don't decrease my monthly installment. Let me keep it that way because I can afford to. And in so doing, you can pay off the car quicker. So you can formally reduce it to from 72 to 60 months or 48, or you can just rather continue paying extra and then be finished with your contract obligations sooner than expected. And this also reduces the interest that you pay, not the interest that you'll be charged, because interest accumulates daily. So the sooner you pay, the less interest you'll be charged. Our next option, paying a large amount. So most people will tell you, no, don't pay a deposit, just keep the money. And then once you have your car and stuff later on, a few months later, just deposit the money that you were going to use for a deposit. This helps because you are able to pay less interest. So if you are going to be paying 160,000 Rand for your car, and then you make a lump sum payment, there's less interest because there's less amount owed, right? But the outcome is dependent on how soon after the purchase the payment is made. If your payment is made before your first installment, then it will be treated as a deposit. But they will ask for your permission if you want to reduce your money or you want to reduce your repayment time. So if the payment is made anytime after the first installment, this reduces your interest paid and time taken to pay off the car. It also reduces your balloon payment. And so what is the financial moral of the story? Between paying a deposit or a large payment, it's all about your pocket. You need to ask yourself the following questions. What is it that you want to achieve with your money? Do you want to pay it off as soon as possible? Do you want to pay as little interest as possible? Or do you want to just be able to afford it every month? It is very important to note that if ever you have a smaller installment, it is easier for you to get by in the month or to anticipate rainy days. If anything happens to your car, you have to pay excess on your insurance, or if ever you need the money for anything else. So it's always best to have your installment to a low amount, as low as can possibly go. But if you are not able to save up for a deposit but you need the vehicle, it is also best for you to organize for a balloon payment so that once you are able to pay more, you do so, but you're not contractually obligated to do so. So when you don't pay the little extra, it's not an issue. They won't repossess your car. This helps you pay it off quicker, and then it also helps reduce your balloon payment. Anyway, that is all for today. Thank you very much. Please do remember that Inhlanyelo Finance is not a registered FSP. So if you do need hectic advice, please remember to contact your broker or a registered financial services provider. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and please share the video. See you on the next one.